Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh, just ask that the prison and let them know. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing.
Hold up. Did you catch that? The judge is confirming if this is the same Marissa Janelle Bell with a prior drug conviction. Translation: the court already knows who she is, and this isn't her first rodeo.
Are you the same Marissa Janelle Bell who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 8626A for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on December 1st, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of Condition Number 4. In Garrett County, Texas, the defendant, Marissa Janelle Bell, the then and there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of June 2024 in violation of Condition Number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? Did you understand by pleading true to violations 4 and 6, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 4 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation 4 and 16?
7 months pregnant and standing trial? The stakes just skyrocketed. And before you wonder, no, being pregnant doesn't shield you from prison time. The judge makes that crystal clear. Brutal reality check.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. You understand that if,
Well, I'm sorry,
yes,
just for the courts, if the court hasn't noticed, she is 7 months pregnant, so that's kind of why she's here,
I'm here.
but just tired of this.
oh, well, I noticed, yeah, I noticed she's in yellow.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you do understand if you have some sort of proposed agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that agreement. Do you understand? Yes. Do you understand I can revoke you and send you to prison for 4 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that the fact that you're currently pregnant plays no role in that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
It's requesting revocation.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to give, she has,
Notice the defense lawyer's move here. He's basically throwing his client at the mercy of the court. No fancy loopholes, no technical arguments, just a plea for mercy. Smart tactic. But is it enough?
we're asking the court to continue her on her probation. She does have some new cases that she was charged with in Comal County. However, she is on PR bond for those because they were not indicted in the proper amount of time. And also, without getting into the facts of those, but she was in the car with someone else. And it's my understanding in my conversations with her that they're making okay. So we're leaving ourselves to the mercy of the court, but she is a motivated probationer. She did fall off the wagon. Where she's been since May is in the Comal County Jail. There was a warrant put out by this court. They brought her over here. And so we're asking the court to give consideration to continuing her on her probation. In the absence of that, we would ask the court to consider adjudicating her and continuing on her probation.
All right.
Ouch. The judge calls out her decision-making, choosing Jacob over freedom. Think about it. She risked 4 years behind bars for a man she was ordered to avoid. Audience, quick question. Was this love, manipulation, or just plain reckless?
But we are leaving it to the court.
All right. Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Do you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand. So the court ordered that you have no contact with Jacob Ziegler. Why are you having contact with him?
He reached out to me.
I'm sorry, what?
He reached out to me, and I shouldn't have left him, and I'm sorry.
No. There's no need to apologize. So he reached out to you and you knew you were looking at 4 years prison time, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you did a weighing of you did a balancing test and you said, I can't have contact with Jacob Ziegler. And if I do, I'm looking at 4 years in prison, but he's worth it. And then according to the court summary, your brother-in-law is taking care, I guess your brother-in-law and his wife are taking care of 2 of your children. Is that correct?
My brother-in-law, no, it's my aunt.
Oh, okay. So your aunt, is taking care of 2 of your children?
3 actually.
3?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have 3 children. You're not taking care of them,
Not
But you-
them, but I have had them. I had them the whole time I was on probation.
but you no, because it says here on July 17th, the field team conducted a field visit and spoke to Miss Bell's brother-in-law, who stated they had not seen or heard from Miss Bell in over 2 months and had been trying to locate her with no success. Mrs. Bell's brother-in-law also stated that they had been caring for Mrs. Bell's 2 children since she left the home.
This is one of the judge's harshest rebukes yet. She's not just talking about probation violations. She's hitting at parenting, responsibility, and survival of her kids. It's courtroom tough love at its peak.
Hey, I'm curious on who my brother-in-law is.
Okay.
The name is it there?
No, the name is not there. But suffice it to say, they've been looking for you for 2 months. So for 2 months, if your children were depending on you to provide them with food so they can live, they would have just starved to death.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. When I fell off, I called my aunt and I let her know.
And there it is, the hammer drops. 4 years in prison. No sugarcoating, no probation extension, no second chances. The moment where every defense argument just evaporates.
They've been taking care of this.
You call your aunt and let her know, I'm going to go be with this Jacob person because he reached out to me.
No, I let her know that I messed up and that I did drugs and I was scared and that I didn't want to be around my children that way.
All right, so basically what that means is financially you were not supporting your children. And if your children were dependent upon you to live, they would not have survived because you're not providing them support. You're just making all of these bad decisions and somebody else is paying for your bad decisions. They're supporting your children. Now you went off with this Jacob person that there was supposed to be no contact with. And the only thing that you've come back with is pregnant with his child. And for the court to say that you to have no contact with him, obviously he was not a good person to be in your life.
Notice how the judge ends on a warning about Child Protective Services. She's already thinking ahead. Who's going to take care of this baby once it's born? This isn't just a sentence. It's a ripple effect that touches her whole family.
All right. So the court is finding violations 4 and 6 true. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke you. And the court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Jacob Ziegler. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's the appeal for me.
All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. I'll recommend the therapeutic community for her. I have no jurisdiction to place you in the therapeutic community, but if you ask for it, they will place you in it.
Yeah.
Oh, just ask at the prison and let them know. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Everybody wants little babies when they're born because they're so cute. So you had better reach out to your family because Child Protective Services is going to come knocking at the prison. So unless you have someone,
My aunt's
Yeah.
taking care of my kids.
all right, so you need to let your aunt know and counsel if you can get in contact with her aunt because time when that baby is delivered, she needs to have somebody there that's been pre-approved by Child Protective Services to take the child. All right, good luck to you.